Hello everyone, I'm Pragati Sureka, working in the realm of mental health for the past 15 years. I like to talk about simple psychological concepts and day to day methods in which we can take care of our mental health. I feel each one of us can develop emotional ability resources to take care of our mind, the precious gift that each one of us is blessed with. Today I'm going to talk to you about anxiety. How is it that you make your anxiety worse? Firstly, you need to understand what is anxiety. Anxiety is that pervasive fear that something will go wrong. You don't have any basis for feeling bad or feeling anxious, yet that lingering thought that things are not going to be okay. So, the worst thing that you can do to make your anxiety worse is ignore anxiety. Sit with it, acknowledge, yes, I am feeling anxious and I want to go beyond it. A bit like seeing the cobwebs which are there in the room. If you see the cobwebs, you will clear it someday. But if you keep pretending they are not there, you will never clean them, right? So, firstly, sit with yourself and see what happens when you are anxious. What is anxiety doing to you? Are you feeling breathless? Are you palpitating? Are your arms sweaty? What is really happening? Don't ignore it. Just let it be there and tell yourself it's a signal that something does not feel right. Let me just see what comes up with it. Chances are, if you let the feeling be, the absolute helplessness feeling or anxious feeling starts subsiding and feels more manageable. There are other ways in which we make our anxiety worse. Lack of sleep is a very, very important reason why anxiety comes in our minds. When we don't have enough sleep, what happens is we keep on ruminating and negative things keep going on in our mind. So, sleep well if you want to curtail your anxiety. Second, check how much water are you drinking on a regular basis. When we are dehydrated, we are anxious. You could have regular water, which normally is the best thing to do. Otherwise, you could go in for infused water or some juices or any other liquid that does the trick for you. A warm mug of coffee, green tea, anything which works for you. Third, too much caffeine. Control how much caffeine are you having. When I talk of coffee and tea, don't go beyond 2 to 3 cups, and if required, consult your nutritionist on what is the right dose of caffeine beyond which anxiety comes in. Caffeine makes our heartbeat go much more rapidly, and then we cannot control anxious thoughts. Another thing that makes our anxiety worse is skipping meals. Do you skip meals? That makes us feel irritable, dizzy, nervous, lightheaded, and weak, all of which are fertile ground for anxiety to be bred in our system. Poor eating habits is something that really help anxiety to take root in our system. Our mental health is deteriorated when we don't eat well, and our nervous system does not function well. So check your eating habits and ensure that there is adequate nutrition that is going in your body. So these are very simple ways in which we can take care of our anxiety by our habits. Some other practices that we have, like comparing ourselves to others, can lead to anxiety coming into our system. So do you find yourself constantly comparing to another? If you are exercising, do you constantly look at the next person and see how much weight do they lose at the end of 1 year or 1 month or 1 week, and how much you lose? If you do that, that is very self-defeating, and more often than not, you will find yourself failing. A lot of people also get anxious by watching the news. When people feed their excessive worry and fear, it is catastrophic for them. So limit the time of news that you watch, especially in difficult times like now, when there is a lot of conflicting news out there about the pandemic, about which vaccine is good for you, about the statistics in various countries. So when we actually start taking care of our daily habits and the way we view life in general, we can control our anxiety. I hope these help you in curtailing your anxiety. If you want me to talk about something else or some other topic that you want more knowledge about, do let me know and I would love to discuss it with you and bring it forward. Have a great day.